Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw another Pokemon named Sewaddle. Let's start by drawing his nose, just a partial circle first. And this guy's going to be kind of looking up. And then we're going to draw a couple straight lines that go towards the center, kind of like a Pac-Man shape. And I'm gonna switch over to my pen just to draw the two teeth right there. So then we'll draw the snout section, and this is going to be just a circle that goes like right about here. So let's draw it from here and then draw the other side, continuing the circle this way. The head section then will be a bigger circle. Again, coming from this line, we're going to just go up this way. So I'm just going to start from up here to meet at the bottom. The other side of the head will be over here. But before we do that, I'm going to go ahead and draw the leaf part that goes over his head. So the right side. So we're going to go a little bit farther out first here. And then start heading up. Okay, and then there's a curve right here that goes up and then back down. So let's do that. Okay, so now we can draw the rest of his head coming off this line to finish off this circle. But we're gonna step off here a little bit because he's got these two knobs at the top of his head. Okay, so he's got these two circular knobs, so go inside the head for a little bit here and then draw this circle. Okay, so next we're going to draw the other circle. So let's draw this part on his right side first. So curve out a little bit first and then finish the curve to the bottom of the head, and then this part will continue up. So this leaf on his head actually is bitten on both sides, so from here we're going to continue it up here, but there's a bite inside it like that. So now we can continue this up to the tip of the leaf. And we'll do the same here. So here's the leaf, and it's gonna bit right here, and then we can continue this line to the tip of the leaf. Alright, so just a couple lines here to indicate that it's a leaf. So next we're going to draw the eyes, and these are just black irises with white pupil. So an oval right here, and just start blackening it until you leave a white pupil in the middle, and same here on this side. So this side will be a little bit more circular, and here I need to make it a little bit bigger, and then start darkening it to get to our white pupil. Alright, so let's get to the body and legs. So he's got 6 legs, 3 on either side, and these are just circles. So let's draw the first one right under here, and another one just a little bit to the right and under, and then one farther down, again a little bit more to the right. And let's just mirror that for the other side. So straight across right here, and here, and finally the last leg right here. These are just small circles. So now these legs are in front of the body line, so now we can go ahead and draw the body. So right here, coming off the head, we're going to draw a curve that goes this way, right up to about here. And of course they're going to go behind the legs, and it's going to curve this way to the other side, and we'll continue it behind this leg and start curving it up for the back and then back to the head. Alright, let's draw the details. There's a separation between the front of the body and the back, just like that. And then we've got the detail lines for the belly. Just a couple curved lines. Alright, so now I'm gonna go back to my thin pen and draw some shadow lines. This is the form shadow, so this part's darker, and then the head will throw a cast shadow onto the body. So I'll just draw a simple line right across, and I'll just go ahead and draw some shadow lines on each of these legs and the body there, and that should pretty much be it. So finally what I'm going to do is I'll go ahead and outline this just so the line width varies a little bit. Try to keep it a little bit thinner up here for the outline, but then I'm gonna go ahead and make it a little bit thicker towards the bottom, and same here on this side. I'm making this side just a little bit thicker than the left side just because it's the closer side. And the body. And I'll just go ahead and outline the legs as well. So I want to make some of the lines here for the head a little bit thicker, but not quite as thick as with the thick Sharpie, so I'm going to just widen my original lines a little bit, going back to my thinner Sharpie. And that's pretty much it. This was Sewaddle, another Pokemon. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.